planning a move from Boston to another city or even across the country. At Better Life Moving, we make your long distance move simple, safe, and completely stress-free. Whether you're relocating your home, apartment, or business, our team of experienced movers handles every stage of your journey with care, precision, and reliability. From professional packing and secure loading to careful transportation and on-time delivery anywhere in the US, we take the guesswork out of long-distance moving. Our movers are trained to handle everything from valuable antiques and electronics to large furniture and delicate items, ensuring your belongings arrive just as they left. With years of experience and one of the most modern truck fleets on the East Coast, we make cross-country relocation smooth and predictable. Each truck is equipped with GPS tracking, giving you real-time updates and total peace of mind. We're also fully licensed, insured, and accredited for interstate and long-distance moving, so your move is always protected. Our team takes care of all the details: route planning, certificate of insurance, COI, requirements, and flexible scheduling. We're available 24/7, including weekends and holidays, because life doesn't always wait for moving day. At Better Life Moving, we treat your belongings like our own. Our white glove service ensures every box, chair, and keepsake is handled with the respect it deserves. We believe in transparent pricing, no hidden fees, and custom moving plans tailored to your schedule and budget. So wherever life takes you, from Boston to Miami, Seattle, or anywhere in between, Better Life Moving keeps you moving forward. Call us today or visit betterlifemoving.com for your free long-distance moving quote. Because your next move should feel like a better life.